The industry is suffering from geopolitical tariffs being used for non-commercial activities. And this unpredictability is now becoming the norm, and our clients are needing to be increasingly resilient and agile and to prepare for the unexpected events that happen more or less every day now. Tech is absolutely crucial to the life sciences sector. Our clients have it as a core pillar of their business and a core pillar of their strategy. I think with AI, it is improving the manufacturing processes and is enhancing things. So people are getting used to AI, but it's really exciting, and there's huge amount of investments in the industry with AI. With digital security, cybersecurity remains a key issue in the industry, and we're not going to get away from that. Those are the issues that underpin the systems and processes, as well as increasing technological developments in product development and drug production. You've got the very large companies who are already global, they're already multinational. For them, the global requirements are to look at the geopolitical aspects, assess where the tariffs are hitting, assess where they should manufacture, and really assess their growth in terms of that. In the smaller mid-sized companies, they're now private equity backed, and we're seeing companies going into the US market and really investing there, and that's really exciting for them, although the geopolitical environment is more challenging for them, but they are weathering that storm and proceeding nonetheless. A lot of the bigger companies have expanded into the traditional countries and to the hubs that have built, but that is not stopping them going elsewhere in the world and looking at less developed markets for their expansion. So yes, they were cautious, but they've got to bear in mind two things. One is the regulatory requirements. So if they move out to a less developed country and they want to manufacture out there and want to sell their drugs in America, they've got to be inspected by the FDA. So they have tough regulatory requirements to deal with. The pricing discussions are still continuing. So standardized pricing, there's a lot of noise from the drug companies wanting to get higher prices for their drugs, particularly in the NHS and in public hospitals around Europe and around the world. There are negotiations going on, and I think this is an issue that will be here to stay and could shape where countries manufacture and sell, because companies are using threats to say, well, if you don't give me a higher price in your country, I might move elsewhere. They have put enormous work into their supply chains, our clients, in the past and in the present, but they've now got another overlay that comes with tariffs, comes with geopolitical uncertainty. And so they are now doing modeling about their tariffs. They're now looking at where they get goods from. And indeed, in the pharmaceutical and life sciences industry, there's a lot of specialist ingredients in the products. And therefore, actually, there are some products where there's not much option to change. So they are looking critically at their supply, the effect of tariff and the tax implications of that, and the effect of continuity of supply